Help! Help! Help!
Huh?
Help! Oh. What's your problem? My cat. He's stuck in a tree. How'd he get in a tree? He fell out of that tree. How'd he get into that tree? I put him there. I'm not even gonna ask. Here, you just stay here. I'll go get my axe. Well, that's a cool axe. Oh, thanks. You might want to move back. Okay. Ugh, ugh, ugh. Meow. Oh, Kitty, I'm so glad to see you're alright. Kitty, are you alright? Meow. Meow. You killed my kitty. No, I didn't. Oh, no, you can't deny it now. No, I didn't. Wait, sir, before you kill that guy, I need your help, please. I have all this ice cream and no one to share it with. Can you help me? Yeah, sure, kid. Make it quick. Wait, this isn't ice cream. Yeah, it's yogurt. Haha, Twix are for kid. Oh. Okay, back to business. You killed my kitty. Not so fast, fool. You just dropped that yogurt. You must be cursed now. Okay, that was weird. Okay, you killed my kitty. What the? Okay, I'm gonna go back to sleep now.